Are we recording this time? Lovely. So where are we, Isa?
I don't know, in the middle
Sitting
somewhere. Yeah, I don't know.
Sitting something? We're at a Royal Enfield Flat Track Day.
With MotoGirl, no.
With MotoGirl in Porton Park. So we're going to learn how to ride a flat track bike, a Royal Enfield, Himalayan actually, around this flat track course. And probably fall over?
Oh yeah, many times. I'm pretty sure there's bets in the office how many times I'll fall.
Oh, okay, I didn't get a piece of that action. I'm going to put my vote in for 4. Let's go for 4. I'm going to feel like 4. None, 0, no falls.
Let's hope no broken bones or nothing.
Catch you along the way.
How you doing, Tim?
Good.
Getting nervous?
No, I'm really zen right now.
Are you actually?
Right now I am, yeah. Until I go out there. I just don't want to be the first one to make a fool of myself. That's my only aim for today. Well, maybe I should. I'll just take one for the team and then everyone else can feel less self-conscious. And
go for it, please do.
So for this first session, I'd say run in first gear, and when you see the checkered flag, don't just grab on the brakes and stop straight away. Do one slow lap and then pull in.
Second lap where we actually putting our foot down. There is the track behind me. Tim is somewhere up there, you see it, doing his laps now. So it's been a good day. How are you finding it?
I'm loving it, absolutely. And you?
Loving it, yeah. And you said as well, that's the first time you did it, right?
First time ever. Yeah, absolutely.
You're smashing it on the track as well.
Well, I think we have to do it every year because it's so much fun, isn't it?
I'm more than happy to come and, show off my skills I'm learning today.
How's that, Isa?
I feel it in my hips.
Yeah, you do, don't you? It's super hard on the
It was
hips.
good. It was short, but I think we're gonna get the track wet again for a bit.
Are they going to go again?
Yeah.
We're just burning through it too quick.
Yeah, we are. It was good. I had a...
Technical term.
It does feel so much better when you put your foot down on it though.
Yeah, it does. Did you get in second gear?
Yes. I've been doing, like as soon as, just in the second. You?
Yeah.
No, but it's fun.
Yeah, I'm in second gear, third gear. I'm in third gear every single time.
Sure.
So, Isa, how was your day?
It was good. I feel like my body took a bit of a beating after it, but it was good, yeah. We went from novice to a little bit
Experts,
of...
pro.
We felt like being experts until Gary went on the track just doing circles like
Felt
crazy.
really good about ourselves, and then Gary came in and just lapped everyone at least 5 times. But he is a pro, so what can you expect? So, MotoGirl invited us.
Yes.
Thank you, MotoGirl. They're amazing. Really,
Lovely
really good.
girls. Women.
I sadly don't get to try on MotoGirls. I've tried them on. They show my hips off great, but not for me.
Well,
you wear them more.
They do also do motorball now, so...
They do.
But yeah, I've been wearing my Lara cargo trousers, which I had now for, I believe, a good 2 years, I think. I got them when they literally were just released. And they've been my to-go. Lots of pockets, which I absolutely love it, because ladies' trousers never have pockets. I love how pretty much everyone's wearing Laras as well. Lara. That might be the motorball.
Is that motorball?
I'm so sorry to bother you guys. That's the men's one, isn't
Yes.
it? Yeah, I told you.
Motorball?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like it.
Well, nice.
Sorry.
Yeah, they are welcome. Yeah.
So I was wearing some Pandos. I apologise for that, because I don't have any MotoGirl. But nice and flexible, and I feel like that's key on a day like this. And that's why I think a massive strength of MotoGirl, because they're so flexible.
Yeah.
Right? And so comfortable,
Yeah.
they would allow you to move on the bike lots.
Yeah.
Was that true?
Yes, definitely. And also, obviously, it's not the warmest day, it's not the coldest day, but it's been perfect. It's been absolutely perfect today.
Yeah. It was thunder and lightning last night. We were a little bit scared.
Yes. When
Not
we
come
got
scared
in
of
the
lightning,
morning, we were
just
like...
because I thought it was going to rain a lot and we were going to get wet and it would be not as nice.
Yeah.
So it was really good. And we've really lucked out for the day, to be honest.
And then we were wearing, both of us, we had our Eben Pros underneath it, no?
We did, which is another thing I think that is perfect.
I love how we just like, hey.
Flash. Because it's so flexible, the armour stays exactly where it should be.
We were not the only ones as well.
And we weren't. And the thing is, when you get in an area like this, it really starts to make sense. And also, it's the kind of environment where you kind of expecting to crash.
Oh, yes, yes.
Which we didn't, but somebody did.
Yes, actually, yeah, I was about to say that. But to be honest, like, for everyone being like the first time, everyone did so well.
Yeah.
Like, I thought I'll be the first one. I thought you were going to take one for the team, you didn't.
I promised it. I did try.
I felt like I've gained a lot of skills during, like, today. Felt definitely that I had more control over the bike by the end. From the first round to what was now, like, no, it was good. I really enjoyed it.
Lovely to meet you. Yeah, awesome.
So, Gary, how did we do today?
Oh, you did really good, I think.
Yeah?
Yeah. From pretty tentative beginnings to really pushing your ability and starting to get a feel for it sliding. I think everyone did real good.
Because I had a few chats and everyone said like they never did it. So I think from the first lap to the last one, like it was a massive improvement. No, obviously not to your stage, but...
Yeah, I mean, I've been doing this a long time, so I had the ability to sort of, I guess, translate what I know to those and try and give the riders a basic understanding. But it's a pretty steady learning curve, I think, and everybody took it on pretty well.
Yeah, because you said it's a good thing to do at least once to make your skills better as a rider in general, even on the road.
It's the skill set of flat tracks kind of transfers really broadly. It kind of sits in the middle of all the different disciplines. So yeah, it's a good thing to practice for sure.
Well, we had a great day with all of you guys, so thank you for having us and teaching us.
Appreciate it.
Would you say this is one of the most useful experience days that you could do?
Yeah, definitely.
To up your skill level,
I think every rider should do a flat track at some point.
Yeah, genuinely. And it's not just because we've enjoyed the day, it really does teach you some useful skills. It teaches you to be deft and light on the throttle. It teaches you great body position, and it teaches you not to freak out if the tyres do something a bit unexpected. And one of the first things I think I noticed out there, and I came back and told you, was that it's got more grip than you think it
yes,
does.
100%. I thought I'm going to be like on an ice rink. It was not like that at all. And to be honest, the other thing is that when someone crashed, they did literally a whole 360. But they were fine. They jumped on the bike, they carry on. It was like, it's okay, it's not as bad, it's fine. Which is the best thing you can do, especially. So it was a good day.
Is there anything else to say?
Oh, no, I don't think so.
No?
I think I'm knackered.
That's fair enough. Signing off, because we're both really tired, except that I've got to drive home now, so.
I'm just going to enjoy being a passenger.
You go to sleep. Don't go to sleep, please.
No,
don't go to sleep.
you got me. Bye.